Hello everyone! Welcome to the Dahua Wireless Series New Products Online event. I'm Danny from the Dahua Overseas Marketing Department. Thank you so much for joining us today. As a leader in the security industry, Dahua has been committed to providing innovative and reliable monitoring products and solutions to achieve complete security protection. Today, Dahua launches its latest wireless products, including 4 monitoring series: Hero, Turret, Pico, and Bullet. We will detail the advanced functions and application scenarios of these products. Dahua Wireless Series cameras are easy to install and operate. They provide outstanding performance and are cost-effective. These cameras break through the limitations of distance and are widely used in small and medium-sized businesses. The first series, Hero. The Hero series provides full coverage of a scene. It has powerful functions such as accurate human detection and continuous auto tracking. Additionally, it sends real-time updates to your phone to keep you informed. It has thoughtful design, a powerful field of view, and a sensitive detection capability. The product is very easy to install and use. Open the product package, plug it in, and place it on the table. Download the DMSS app, scan the QR code at the bottom of the product, and follow the voice prompts during the operation. After successful installation, the product will light up green and connect easily. Hero Series products are equipped with speakers and microphones, allowing you to activate two-way talk remotely through DMSS anytime. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Monitoring not only protects safety, but also records memories. Hero Series products currently support 2 methods of storage: SD memory card and NVR. A 256 gigabyte memory card can store 24-hour footage for up to 16 days. Dahua will also launch cloud storage functions in the future. Monitoring records will not be lost and beautiful memories will be uploaded to the cloud. Hero makes security more private. When the shop closes, it's time for the boss to calculate the day's earnings. They can easily activate the privacy mode using DMSS, giving them a sense of assurance about their personal privacy. The Hero series has a 360-degree view of the scene, with no visual blind spots. Put it in your store and use the DMSS app. You can freely control the rotation and view everything in the scene. For good surveillance, the field of view should be wide, and the line of sight should also be clearer. The camera records at 4 megapixel resolution, resulting in brighter images and clearer details than traditional cameras. Let's keep zooming, zooming, zooming. You can even see the note on the ground. Hero. Now we let it get dark. It's nighttime and the lights are off. However, Dahua's night vision function restores the real picture in high definition. You can still see it clearly, so pick Hero. If someone enters the Hero Series product's field of view, the human detection feature will immediately focus on that person. Activate the auto tracking function for enhanced observation. When this function is turned on, the device will automatically lock on the person and rotate to follow their movements. Second series, Turret. The Turret series cameras produce clearer and brighter images day or night and incorporate AI-powered human detection that can instantly detect people and filter out irrelevant information, sending notifications to your mobile device. In the event of abnormal activities, it supports active deterrence models with smart dual light mode and audio sound alerts. When someone walks in front of the camera or rushes past it, it can spot them immediately. AI human detection greatly improves the accuracy of human portrait detection and avoids false alarms. When someone breaks into the monitored area, it will play a more ferocious role. How fierce? This fierce. This fierce. This fierce! Once the store activates the prevention and control mode at night, if a stranger enters, the system will automatically sound an alarm and turn on the spotlight to scare off suspicious intruders and ensure the location remains secure. Third series, Pico. The Pico series cameras are equipped with smart dual light and pan and tilt features, allowing them to capture vivid and colorful images of every corner of your store. They also have a built-in active deterrent system that activates sound and light alarms to scare off potential intruders when they detect any unusual activity. Installing the camera is hassle-free thanks to its versatile bracket, and you can conveniently access the recorded footage using DMSS anytime, anywhere. Outdoor products have a variety of smart light modes. Select infrared mode to reduce light pollution while still making the nighttime picture clearly visible. Select warm light mode. The camera's built-in high brightness warm light will illuminate the screen area to achieve full color night vision. Select the smart dual light mode. When a moving object appears, the camera will intelligently fill in the light and restore full color at night. When there are no moving objects, it will automatically enter infrared mode to reduce energy waste. What makes it dazzling is not only its brightness, but also its ability to recognize and reduce excessive light. The fourth series, Bullet. The Bullet series cameras offer comprehensive protection around the clock, regardless of weather conditions. It features AI-powered human detection, while the active deterrence models incorporate smart dual light mode and audio sound alerts. As an outdoor product with an IP67 protection level, it may experience extreme weather conditions, whether heavy rain, mist, sand and dust, intense cold, or scorching heat. It is qualified for the job. Get clear images day and night with all-weather protection. Finally, I would like to sincerely thank you for your interest and support in the launch of Dahua's new products. We have introduced top-notch products and a comprehensive range of Dahua DMSS security system solutions to enhance your convenience and safety. We invite you to buy our new series of products and enjoy a more secure and intelligent experience.
时尚整洁的轮廓勾勒出整体圆润的线条，底座清爽利索的直线造型让整体看起来更加的稳重精神。金色的环形线条作为点缀，使产品整体简约而又不失气质，保持产品本身功能、质感、美观性、使用寿命等要素的同时，在设计之初还同步考虑了产品原材料的选材以及材料的加工、制作、流通、使用、回收等程序对环境的影响。Hero 主要适用于商超、零售店铺等室内场景，主打简单易用，支持远程管理查看。以 Hero 为基础，丰富云台家族外观，以场景适配为核心，构建智能能力集，形成完善的家族群，以适配不同场景下客户的需求。
这款产品的设计灵感来源于可爱的小企鹅，小企鹅和人们心目中温暖的形象，因此我们希望通过设计出一款与小企鹅相似的外观，给用户带来宾至如归的感觉，去柔和圆润的线条勾勒出整体的外观轮廓，增加了产品的亲和力和可爱感。侧面微微张开的造型，仿佛小企鹅在欢乐地拍打翅膀，趣味十足，憨态可掬。 而摄像头球体的设计也与传统的隐藏式球体不同，更加直观地展现出球体的转动，让用户更加真实地感受到产品的互动性。产品主要适用于商超、零售店铺等室内场景，主打特点是简单易用和远程管理查看，用户只需简单操作就可以实现对商铺的实时监控和管理，大大提高了商铺的安全性和工作效率。 为了更好地满足用户的需求，我们将继续努力实现产品的创新和升级。未来，我们计划开发加载不同的智能功能，使用户能够更加智能化地管理店铺。例如，我们可以加入语音助手功能，让用户通过语音指令来进行控制和操作。此外，我们也计划推出可 DIY 的外观设计，让用户可以根据自己的喜好和心情。 定制不同颜色的外观，例如七彩虹设计。最后，我们也在考虑推出电池版本，方便用户安装和使用，增加产品的便携性和灵活性。这些创新功能的添加，将使产品更加多样化，易用性更佳，为用户带来更好的使用体验。
Turret 采用极简主义的设计风格，产品色彩单纯，造型简约，功能清晰，看起来轻薄、坚固、简洁而有力。以理性使用、简约整洁、直观易懂、优雅大方为这个系列产品的主要特征。产品主打简单易用，支持远程管理查看，主要适用于商超、零售店铺等室内外场景。未来的发展方向依然以简洁易用性为核心。 外观更加坚固，安装使用更加方便。继续深挖适配具体应用场景的智能功能，为用户带来更便捷、舒适的使用体验。
这款室外场景的球形摄像机的设计灵感来源于天地之间的完美组合。我们希望通过简洁而艺术的外形，营造出独特而有个性的产品。球形摄像机的形态特点恰如其分地体现了天圆地方的设计理念，同时也展现出动静互补的美感。在颜色、材质和肌理的选择上，我们采用了珠光白和耀夜黑的大华 PI 色，使产品呈现出感性而亲和的质感设计。此外，我们还在人机交互上充分考虑了易用性，独特的支架和隐性的尾线设计给产品注入了新的生命力。该产品主要适用于商超等室外场景的安全监控，它可以实现远程看守、声光联动警戒，并且具备事前预警、事中警戒、事后取证的功能。这不仅提高了用户对安全的保护意识，也有效解决了安全隐患问题。为了不断满足用户的需求，我们将继续致力于产品的创新和发展。未来，我们设计加载更丰富的智能功能，使用户能够更便捷且智能化的管理监控。例如，我们可以增加变备功能，让摄像机实现近距离和远距离的监控需求，这将提高用户对周边环境的感知能力，增强安全保护意识。此外，我们还将持续关注技术发展及用户的反馈，不断研发出更先进、更实用的功能，以提供更好的使用体验和服务。
Bullet 设计时引用了时光胶囊元素，干净流畅的外形使设计呈现出优雅感和纯粹感，匹配大众对美学的追求。Bullet 就像时光胶囊一样，用心守护时光。产品主打简单易用，外观柔和且时尚，主要适用于商超、零售店铺等室内外场景，给用户带来全面的安全守护。未来功能的方向是更贴心、更温馨、更放心。基于时空守护的理念，增加多元化设计，会考虑从外形、指示灯等方面着力，增加守护生活的设计元素。产品会加载更加丰富多样的智能功能，引入更高像素的镜头，看得更远更清晰，使用的更放心。